Okay, I want to try and do a quick tutorial here on how I make icons. Obviously there's more than one way, so these are the icons that another artist has done, and you can see here that she's got several layers here, but then on the others she's actually created separate files for each of them. And so the way I do it, this is these here. I'll go ahead and minimize those so as to be confusing. This here is the icon that I created. This is my source icon for the fisherman skill, and you can see I have each of the different details that we need. So we need a normal, and we need highlighted, and we need depressed, and we need inactive. And so this is how we do each of those. I also have a whole selection of other overlays I can put on top of it. This is a fish, so that's our image for the fisherman. I can actually disable that right here by clicking on the little eye so we can't see it. And I can do the farmer, I can do the merchant, I can do all of these things. And so we want all of our skill icons to match their related profession icon. So here we have the casting, and so I'm going to take her image that she's got here, make sure I'm on the pointer selector, and I'm going to take her, this is the bait hook skill, so I'm just going to drag the bait hook skill image to my fisherman template here, and then I can just reactivate all these things. So you can see here each of these already has all of the effects, the special effects enabled. So I can enable or disable each one of those, and this makes it very quick for me to be able to export new icons. So I just take this one image, I drag it in here, and then I will save as PNG. We want to save them as a super PNG, and we're going to change the name fisherman bait hook. So this is our going to do skill in here. So we're going to create a naming convention. So we have the icon, that's what type of artwork this is. Fisherman, this is a class. Skill, this is what type of icon it is. And then this is what this skill is. So we're going to save it like that. And we just click Save. PNG interlacing, OK. And then we'll do the same thing again. Oh, I forgot to put the -n under there, so we'll have to do that, the _n. Let me show you how we do it with the highlight. So we're going to do it again. Save as, and we want the super PNG. Just going to choose that. I named it wrong anyway. Bait hook. But bait hook. It's a T, not an N. And _H. Now then it's correct. So now the game will know this is the highlight version. We do OK. So we're going to go ahead and go back and do the N again and save as super PNG. I'm going to do bait hook N, save, and OK. And then we do D, and they do have to be in PNG format. JPEG might work, but we prefer to keep everything in the same format just for consistency. So we want them all in PNG. So this is the depressed version. So we do save again with the _D, and that's what that was there. And now then we turn this into inactive, so the underscore I, and super PNG, underscore N, I, save, done. And now that we've just created 4 icons in just a matter of a couple minutes. So it's really very quick to do it this way. Then keep going. So that's the bait hook. And again, we need some more bait hook. Oh, these are all bait hook. So now we'd want to drag another one here. So I'm just going to grab one, the casting. So I don't need all 4 of those to do this. So I'm going to wait for it here. And this is how we layer the different, we keep all of the artwork in one file. So we just grab this layer here, and I'm not quite sure why she's got 2 here, but she does. So we're just going to grab this here, and we're just going to put it right on top of there. And looks like she intentionally wanted it off the screen, perhaps. Not sure on that. So now we disable the hook, and we enable the fishing pole. This is the casting, our pole casting skill. And now then we've got that there. I want that casting above my N because I like to keep all these together. And I'm already on the I, so I can just go ahead and save it. See how quick this goes? We already have it done, and so we do pole casting, and it's already I, and we just click save, and we do OK. And then we enable the depressed one, and save as PNG, and we do the D, and save, OK. H, highlighted, save as PNG, change the letter there, save, done. And N, save as PNG, and we need, doesn't really matter I guess, we just change the letter to N, and done. And now I've made 4 more icons just by dragging the new image on there. And then I can do the same thing with the net. So that's how it works. It's really fast. We've already got these templates created for all the professions, so there's no need to be creating new templates. We've got them all. They're done already. We just drag the image on there. So let's say you don't have an image to drag on there. You need to create a brand new one from scratch. So what we do is we create a new layer. So we do create layer, and I can't actually think of one. Let's do a knot. Square knot. So we're going to make an image of a square knot, and I probably won't finish this in the tutorial, but this is how you would go about it. So you've started this, and we got our artwork here. Let's see, we want to come back up here. We want to get this color. So we're going to sample. Let's get one those are butterflies. Aren't those pretty? Just in case we ever need butterflies. There's our fish. Okay, we're going to sample the fish. Now we have the right color. So we come back down here to our square knot layer. And we can just draw with it. So we get our brush tool, choose what brush you want. Of course, you can have all the selection of all the Photoshop brushes we could use. There isn't a knot brush. If I wanted to do a star, I could. See, and then I would have an instant star, and we'd be done. Except I don't actually want to do that. We're just going to go ahead and grab our brush, and we're going to my pen isn't working with me. And that is not what a square knot looks like. But that's how you would go about it. I'm not going to go ahead and take the next 35 minutes of your time to get a square knot looks nice. But anyway, so that's how you would do it. So now you have a new layer. We would want to add, this is what I wanted to show you. So instead of trying to guess what it is, we just come up here, we copy layer style, and then we add it to our new layer. And we do paste layer style, and now then it will look the same as the others. So now it has that same effect, and it will look the same. And I could go through and make all of these icons, but I'm not going to because I'm not actually going to use this icon. But that's the step-by-step process of how to do it. Of course, you can do that with any type of art. You can import another image, you can edit it, use all of the Photoshop tools, and create your icons like that. I hope this helps speed the icon creation process. And once again, we do have templates for all of the professions, so if you don't know where to find them, just ask. Thanks.